Your mission is to put a 25mm diameter Ventomat air valve at node 520. The objective is to prevent negative heads at node 420. Node 520 is at a crest just upstream of node 420. How can you do that? Well, on most occasions you will start the process of adding surge protection from within the transient simulator. Typically you will have just finished viewing the behavior of an unprotected system. So to add surge protection devices, we use the File menu and we return to the editor. The software will return you into edit mode, where the right side toolbar will allow you to add a Ventomat air valve. Clicking the Air Valve Ventomat button, pointing to node 520, clicking the Ventomat air valve button again to stop adding air valves. Now right-clicking the air valve symbol and selecting Edit and setting the required parameters. 125.8 is the level of the top of the air valve. The diameter that we want, the nominal size that we want, is a 25mm. Clicking OK. Right-clicking the air valve symbol again and selecting Trace Surge and selecting Outflow and Air Volume. Saving the data, swapping into Simulate mode, clicking Start Transient Simulator, selecting 1 AM, the start time, Now that the simulation has run, activating the Summit to node 420 route and viewing that route. Let me drag a rectangle around the route where nodes 520 and 420 are located, so I can see within the constraints of head loss through a 25mm air valve, we see less than 1 meter negative head occurring near node 520 and about 1 meter negative head at node 420. Closing the hydraulic grade line, let's view the results as a head trace at node 420 and 520. Here we see the same minimum head outcomes and when the minima occur. It is worth noting that I am recording every 10th calculation in this demonstration. Your trace may look slightly different because your instruction was to record only every 100th calculation. Returning to view one more trace, and that is the air volume through the Ventomat air valve that we've added. Note that it's taken only about 1 litre of air to enter the system to achieve this result.